Hi everyone, why we have to use the TCP client for communication with the serial device server and send the packet to the TCP server. And today I have the demonstration to be here with you to be understand how this communication can be working, right? And on the table I have the Nport, the 5110 here, serial device server with many options, with a serial real-com TCP server and TCP client and etc. Very function. And we have the Nport here, the Nport 1150. So because of today I don't have any sensor, so I do the use port to demo like the sensor, right? And this sensor communicate with the serial device server here. So this one like the sensor, like the picture here, connect to the serial device server here. And on the table here, I have the PC here. On my hand here. On the PC, I have used the PCOM tool here. So the PCOM is just like the software to receive the signal come from the serial device server and the serial sensor send the signal to the serial device server, and the tune will be received. And today, how to install this one, I will show you step by step. And the first one, come back to the picture right here. So let's talk about the serial here. So why we use the TCP client right here? So we have the two options, the TCP server and TCP client. With the TCP client, this device will be active and transmit the data come from the serial to the software here. So especially for the application related to renewable, marine, port, steel, you can get the data every time, the real time, and etc. And right now, if you use the serial device server for the TCP server right here, maybe the power meter for the month, you can get the data one time 1 month, and right here will be exchanged to the TCP server. And now, how to install this one? Talk again. Okay, so we have the Nport here, so I will replace the sensor right here that I don't have, and then send the signal to the serial device server here with the TCP client here. And TCP client will be active and send the data to the TCP server computer right here. I have one here. And right now, I will install the TCP client first with the Nport here. And right now, how can I install this one? That first, you need to download the tool right here from the Moxa brand. So this is public software. So you can search right here. I connect through the Ethernet port right here. So how can we connect with this one? You need to exchange the subnet mask with IP address. So right here for my computer, so I will use the 182.168.127 and 254. This address for the Nport. And what is my computer address? I will show you right now. Okay. So for my computer, so I can for the Ethernet one here, channel adapter option. So I access to the Ethernet here. So robot here, so you can see this one here will be our PC address here, with the last one letter will be 10. And now I will access to the equipment. There are two kind of installation. The first one by tool, and the second one by the web browser here. So etc. Depend on your choosing. So for me, I usually to choose the tool here. Okay. So right now I need to unlock here with the password, the Moxa here. Okay. After I set this one, you can see I can access to the detail networking. I can exchange this IP address with the modify, but I still keep it. And about the serial, I need to exchange the serial device server speed following the serial device. So come back to the picture again here. So you can see this the serial here. We have the power rate and the Nport for the serial of the RS232. I have following the spec, the speed, the power rate, the data bit right here. So following the use port, right? So you make a question, where is the U port here? So this is use port. We can click here. So you can see the board setting. I have already installed the 9800 baud rate here with the data bit parity, stoppage, and flow control here. And of course, you need to activate the RS232 for the Nport 1150 here. And after install the parameter is the same with the Nport, I mean the serial sensor. Okay, you move to the second one, operating mode. So operating mode, at the first, I choose the TCP client. So the TCP client, you need to tie the destination host. So right here is my computer. So this IP address is my computer, and destination port is 4001. Okay, and so right now after setting, this is so simple, right? So you just click OK, and then the Nport will be restarted again. You can see here. So right now, this is the Nport, Ethernet port to the PC, and serial port to the sensor with the serial communication. Okay, after that, I come back to the BCom serial here. So this tool is used for just demonstration. At the real time, you have the software and you need the API programming to get the TCP socket, the real data from the TCP. The TCP, I will talk to you about this at the end of this video, but right now I will create again for you to understand. Okay, so right now I have to create come back the picture again. I have to create a serial right here. All right, serial, I use the serial here with the COM8, the baud rate, data bit is the same. Okay, the terminal, keep it default. Okay, right, okay. So this one, I move it here. Okay, come back to the picture again. So this serial right here. So I have this appearance here. The second one, I create the server. The server, where is the server? The server here. And the Nport will be the middle between the Nport and the server. How I create a server? Here. The server, we have the option, the TCP right here. So there are two kind of choosing here, the client and server here. So the server, you need to put the local port here. That I put as 4001 for you to understand. So right now I create the port here. Okay, so my purpose is transmit the data actively when I type any letter here or the signal here will be communicate with the TCP server with the my PC through the Nport serial device server. They will active automatically, active, very active here. So how can I active? I need to pick at the serial here with the capture, and then capture 2. There's two capturing together. So right now I with the demo with the send pattern ASCII high. I can tie the 1 2 3 4 5 first, and then I put it start. Okay, so right now you can see the signal will be transmitted automatically and actively. So every sensor data here. So come back the picture again here. So I move to a small one here. So right now, every time the serial signal, they have maybe the temperature, the humidity or pressure, they transmit to the Nport serial with the TCP client, and TCP client will be transmit active to the TCP server. So this one is useful for the renewable, the power, the marine, the ship, the steel, the airport. So many applications they use this one. So come back to the advantage of this one here. So why the customer, or maybe why the technical guy they use it? Because of the TCP protocol. The TCP protocol will be faster than the real COM. If you use the real COM, you need to access to the PC and then access to the Nport and then exchange to the COM port. It takes a lot of time. And the second one will be important, will be the expanding. When you use the TCP, the raw packet, the payload will be put into the TCP pocket. I mean the serial signal will be into the TCP pocket. So the speed and the expanding will be more large, a lot. and you will, distribute for everywhere. So you can access every time, everywhere. Geography is not a problem for us to communicate, right? So this is my demonstration today. I hope you understand my demonstration right here. So whenever you have any question, please let us know. Thank you and have a nice day. See you next time.